happy hour time, and we are opening up a bottle of our friend Jules's rosé, which we helped bottle from 1764 Vineyards. And this, last year, was foot stomped. That's how they crush the grapes. That's actually the traditional method of making wine going way, way back.
Wait. When you say foot stomped, do you mean that literally?
I
like
mean
you're
it.
actually stomping the grapes with your feet?
I mean it literally. It's mostly done with red wines, but Jules had to stomp her orange Riesling today. Guess who got to help?
Right there. And roll it.
Yeah. She added SO2. On a scale of 1 to 10, how cold is it?
Not.
It's not cold? No.
Words are.
Exactly. Let's go. Waterboarding.
It's like surfing.
How'd that go?
Fun. It's fun. It was really fun. It was like being a big kid and stomping around on grapes. They have you sanitize really well, the same way they sanitize all the equipment and all of the barrels and all of the everything they use when they make wine. You're just constantly sanitizing. And then you just get all your aggression out by stomping. I can't wait till next year when I get to drink the Riesling that I helped stomp. Thank you to 1764 Vineyards for letting me do that, because that was so much fun.
They're a brand new vineyard. They're opening up in just a couple of months.
Yeah, they're going to have a tasting room here in Pierce. So if you're in the area, you should come and check them out, because their wine is legit delicious.
And it couldn't be run by two better people.
They're cool. They're cool people.
All right. There you go. Up it goes.
Cheers.
Up it goes, and then down it goes. Up it goes. Yep, there you go. Okay, happy hour time.
Woo!
That was a big one.
Look! The fire and the lightning bolt. That was a good lightning bolt. There's like two of them at the same spot at the same time.
Yeah, you can see the fire. It's right there. We didn't see it earlier today, so a lightning strike
Must have just
probably did it.
Yeah. You're in my shot, man.
I'm in your shot. I'm trying to get all the color behind you. Look at that
It is
color.
pretty.
It's so nice.
When it gets dark, you'll be able to get really good ones with your camera.
Yeah.
We're trying to get lightning shots, so we just stand here with our phone and just hope for the best. I got a lightning shot the other day with this camera. I will put it right here. Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
That one almost looks like it's right by the fire.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Look at that one. With the fire and then the lightning shot.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
You are better at this than I am with your phone.
You're really good at it with the camera, though. So. Home improvement time. We've been doing small projects around the house, such as the televisions, which we saw, and then we also made this really cool sofa table behind the sofa here to give us a little bit more room to put some lamps and things like that. So since this area is almost done, I want to put a couple of shelves up over in this corner to put plants or something like that. So we're gonna make those today. This is my prototype, cut out of cardboard. We're gonna use pipes because you know how we like them here. And I think we decided that this is the right size, something like that. now I just need to go cut the wood and stain it and put it all together. How's that height look?
It's good. It's over the lamp. Got lots
Is it too
of
close to the
buffer.
lamp?
I don't think so. I think that looks nice.
It needs to go. Now we can't really move it. It's the only way I can move it.
Had to have the camera recording for that too.
So yeah, unfortunately it's not level when it's stuck into the corner, but it's not badly off, so it's okay.
I think it looks good. As long as you don't have a plant that's so tall that it's going to hit the underside of that shelf, I think you're good.
Yeah, well maybe this one has a smaller plant and this one has something that falls down or something like that.
There you go. It's looking good.
Right?
Uh-oh, we have the AC on. The background noise you hear is that thing. But it's an air conditioner.
It's because it's hot.
Yes, it's very hot.
I think that looks really sweet.
Looks fantastic. I think we did a pretty good job.
I think so too, and it works well with the lamp, which we're getting another one of.
Yes, the wood, the darker wood. We built this, we built that, we built that. Oh, we're getting so handy with incredibly easy things.
Well, I like the pipe. The pipe makes it very unique.
Yes.
I'm happy.
Yes. And the lamp, which we got yesterday.
And we're getting another one for that side of the couch.
Yes.
But we wanted to only buy one first to make sure we liked it.
We do.
We do.
Cool. We have a lamp. We have a Courtney. And we have the shelves we put up earlier today. Pretty nice, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
I love it. I love it. Every little bit makes the house feel even more like a home.
That's right.
And now I can knit after dark.
Now you can knit after dark because of that guy.
Yep.
Right there. Yep. Well, say goodbye to our audience.
Goodbye. Hope all is well with all of you, and we will see you again soon doing something fun. There are some big changes coming to outside.
I'm not sure I know what these are, but I'm sure I'll find out soon enough.
Mm-hmm. You know what they are. Bye, guys.
Say goodbye, Miss Patty. Say goodbye. No.
Oh, another lousy sunset.